guys, welcome back to Crypto with Sid. Here we discuss about latest crypto news and technical analysis of different coins on a daily basis. That will be very beneficial for you and helps you to make better plans for your future trades. In our previous video, I have already told you that BTC can test $20,800. This is how we save you from bigger loss. Now, my technical analysis says BTC should hold $20,800 support, but it's not look like it will hold this support because there are many bad news in crypto world. There are three major reasons for the crypto crash, and maybe it may continue. There are signs of further turbulence ahead, the absence of a BTC futures premium, $470 million in liquidations, and excessive stablecoin lending all point toward new yearly lows. On Friday, August 19, the total crypto market capitalization dropped by 9.1%, but more importantly, the all-important $1 trillion psychological support was tapped. The market's latest venture below this, just 3 weeks ago, meaning investors were pretty confident that the $780 billion total market cap low on June 18 was a mere distant memory. Regulatory uncertainty increased on August 17 after the United States House Committee on Energy and Commerce announced that they were deeply concerned that proof-of-work mining could increase demand for fossil fuels. As a result, U.S. lawmakers requested the crypto mining companies to provide information on energy consumption and average costs. Typically, sell-offs have a greater impact on cryptocurrencies outside of the top 5 assets by market capitalization, but today's correction presented losses ranging from 7% to 14% across the board. Bitcoin saw a 9.7% loss as it tested $21,260, and Ether presented a 10.6% drop at its $1,675 intraday low. Some analysts might suggest that harsh daily corrections, like the one seen today, are a norm rather than an exception, considering the asset's 67% annualized volatility. Case in point, today's intraday drop in the total market capitalization exceeded 9% in 19 days over the past 365. But some aggravate are causing this current correction to stand out. The BTC futures premium vanished. The fixed-month futures contracts usually trade at a slight premium to regular spot markets because sellers demand more money to withhold settlement for longer, technically known as contango. This situation is not exclusive to crypto assets. In healthy markets, futures should trade at a 4% to 8% annualized premium, which is enough to compensate for the risks, plus the cost of capital. According to the OKX and Deribit Bitcoin futures premium, the 9.7% negative swing on BTC caused investors to eliminate any optimism using derivatives instruments. When the indicator flips to the negative area, trading in backwardation, it typically means there is much higher demand from leveraged shorts who are betting on the further downside. Leverage buyers' liquidations exceeded $470 million. Futures contracts are a relatively low-cost and easy instrument that allows the use of leverage. The danger of using them lies in liquidation, meaning the investor's margin deposit becomes insufficient to cover their positions. In these cases, the exchange's automatic deleveraging mechanism kicks in and sells the crypto used as collateral to reduce the exposure. Margin traders were excessively bullish and destroyed. Margin trading allows investors to borrow cryptocurrency to leverage their trading position and potentially increase their returns. As an example, a trader could buy Bitcoin by borrowing Tether USDT, thus increasing their crypto exposure. On the other hand, borrowing Bitcoin can only be used to short it. Unlike futures contracts, the balance between margin longs and shorts isn't necessarily matched. When the margin lending ratio is high, it indicates that the market is bullish. The opposite, a low ratio, signals that the market is bearish. crypto traders are known for being bullish, which is understandable considering the adoption potential and fast-growing use cases like decentralized finance, DeFi, and the perception that certain cryptocurrencies provide protection against USD inflation. A margin lending rate of 17x higher favors stablecoins is not normal and indicates excessive confidence from leverage buyers. These three derivatives metrics show traders were definitely not expecting the entire crypto market to correct as sharply as today, nor for the total market capitalization to retest the $1 trillion support. This renewed loss of confidence might cause bulls to further reduce their leverage positions and possibly trigger new lows in the coming weeks. Now let's move on to today's major news. Today's first news is top decentralized stablecoin, FEI, might be shut down soon. Ethereum veteran Joey Santoro, the founder of FEI Labs, published a proposal to redeem FEI tokens to DAI, and to distribute protocol-controlled value between tribe holders. FEI, stablecoin project closing, FEI Labs leaves DAO. Mr. Santoro has taken to Twitter to announce that the FEI architecture will be shutting down due to technical, financial, and potential future regulatory risks. He released a proposal to redeem the existing circulating supply of FEI to DAI, the largest algorithmic stablecoin. Should this proposal pass, the remaining PCV reserves will be distributed between the holders of the tribe token, which is used to act as a balanced instrument to keep a one-to-one peg between FEI and USD. So let's move on to today's second news. Hackers are targeting Bitcoin ATMs through zero-day attacks. If the world of cryptocurrency already didn't have enough to worry about, hackers are now targeting Bitcoin ATMs to withdraw large amounts of BTC. Recently, a group of anonymous hackers has exploited a zero-day bug in the General Bytes Bitcoin ATM servers to steal BTC from several customers. When the customers purchase or deposit Bitcoin through these ATMs, the zero-day vulnerability allows hackers to divert the funds into their own wallets. These news might leave an impact on crypto market. Crypto is high-risk market. My analysis can go in both directions, so please do proper research before entering in a trade. If you guys find this video informative and useful for you, subscribe to Crypto with Sid's YouTube channel for more crypto news and updates. Don't forget to check out my NFT collection, link in the description. And take care until next time.